Data science, latest buzzword. Everyone wants to become a data scientist. Why? Because it is in demand, it gives you highly paid job, you have abundance of position in the industry, it is versatile. Yes, all of these. But what exactly is data science? And more important, when there are so many courses available, which course you should choose? Today, we are in the era of fourth industrial revolution, an era of artificial intelligence and big data. We are floating in the ocean of data. Data is the new electricity. As electricity is being given to different gadgets for different purpose, similarly, data can be used by different data scientists for different insights and different useful insights. So, how to choose a course which enables us or which enables a student to become a great data scientist? The purpose of data science is to find out insight from data, to find out patterns from data. The data scientist is supposed to extract data, wrangle data, pre-process data thoroughly, and then give conclusions in the form of prediction. How can this prediction be used? This prediction can be used by customers, by industry, for making smart decisions. That means before data science, decision making was not happening? No, it was happening. But it was happening in a traditional manner. Companies used to take some research, some surveys, and based on those surveys, statisticians used to give some inference, and those inference were being modeled for next decision making. Now, statisticians are still there. Since many decades, we have another branch which is computer engineering. Now, in computer engineering, you learn how you can do fast processing, how you can have huge storage, how you can do modeling, how you can do programming, so that you can give your results faster and you can store data in a structured manner, in a efficient manner, and huge data also can be handled. So earlier what was happening, statisticians were working separately. They had no knowledge about programming, they had no knowledge about cloud, storage, processors, programming, but they were very good in drawing inference. And computer engineers were working separately. They were not having any idea of business or any idea of maths or what statistician used to do. They were not exactly having the same idea. Some idea they obviously have because they have studied maths, but not exactly in the same lines as statisticians were working. So data science is a new branch, is a new course which clubs both of them together. So how to choose which course is best suited for your purpose? Now, your purpose is mainly when you study the course, you should be immediately picked up in the market and you should be given data science related job. Now, data science related jobs means what? Data science jobs you can get in the field of agriculture, you can get in the field of IT, you can get in the field of manufacturing and supply chain. You can get data science related job in healthcare, in research, in automobile, in different sectors you can get data science related job. So the thing is, the main difference between a computer engineer or an IT engineer and an engineer who has done data science, the main difference is that data scientist knows business, knows economy, knows how to understand a use case. When you complete your computer engineering or IT engineering, you get a job of developer. Mostly you get a job of developer. That means there is a business analyst there who will talk to the customer, who will understand the scenario, who will understand the problem, and then he will explain to you, and you will have to just code. Data scientists are not expected to only code. As said earlier, data scientists will be given data. You have to process data, you have to understand data, you have to understand what is the business doing, from where you are getting data, and then you are trying to find out insights, patterns, and then based on those insights you are doing prediction. These predictions are going to be used for decision making purpose. So one very important thing in any data science course is that the students should be given the knowledge of business and economy. Second aspect is that students should also be made understand how to present their data. If we give huge Excel sheets, numbers to the customers may not understand. So you have to represent your conclusions, your predictions in a manner which is easily understood by any customer who may not have any knowledge of computer. Even they should be able to understand. So second aspect is practical skills, visualization skills, and soft skills at the same time. So how will you visualize the data, represent the data, and how will you present your conclusions? So a combination of soft skills plus visualization skills should also be included in the course. Then obviously lot of emphasis should be given on statistics, inferential statistics mainly, and then apart from inferential there is descriptive statistics. Both these knowledge should be given in the course. Then little bit of maths should also be included, which includes linear algebra and calculus, and then programming knowledge. Mostly in today's world, Python is very versatile. Python is being used. Apart from Python, even R is also a very good tool in data science field. So knowledge of R and Python programming skills, knowledge of database, how this data is stored, how it is extracted, how you're going to merge data. So knowledge of ETL, what we were saying, that should also be included. And then the most important part, how to understand data, how to do prediction of data, how to do data modeling. For that, knowledge of machine learning algorithms should be given. So if a course includes these things, beyond that they can choose extra knowledge what they can give. Some can give extra knowledge based on healthcare sectors, like clinical analysis is there. Some can give extra knowledge based on data security aspects. Some can also give knowledge of cloud computing. So students should also know that how they can store huge amount of data, and then from there they can extract. So some extra knowledge can also be given, but mainly any course, if you choose, it should have, apart from statistics and machine learning, it should also include visual representation, knowledge of visual representation, soft skills, and business. If any course is having these things and extra, then you can choose that course, and that will give you a complete knowledge as a data scientist. You can actually never become a perfect data scientist because there is always scope of learning. But yes, if any course is including these things, then you will reach at a certain level, and it will help you to get placements after your course. So I hope this video is helpful for all the 12th standard students to choose a course in data science. Thank you.